Hi, I'm Magic, and today I'm bringing you to a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom penthouse in the heart of Bow, very close to Canary Wharf and the city. Let's take a look. Stepping into this penthouse and the atmosphere honestly shifts. It feels serene. Just look how these lights capture the natural tone. It feels so soft and organic. Floor to ceiling windows allows you to wake up with the beautiful London skyline. The attention to detail is absolutely explicit, from plush chairs to bespoke fitted wardrobes. And the ensuite is a pure spa-like luxury and a beautiful tiling with silver finishing. Location-wise, it's brilliant. We're a mere 15-minute stroll from Queen Mary University, which makes this a total goldmine for rental demand. We're absolutely spoiled for choice with 3 stations: Mile End, Bow Road and Devons Road. You can be in Bank within 7 minutes or the West End in 15. Right downstairs, you have a brand new Sainsbury's and an upcoming destination restaurant. Follow me inside. The concierge lobby says such a stunning tone. It feels more like a boutique 5-star hotel than an apartment block. You have this beautiful residence lounge for co-working, a professional boxing studio. It's raw, it's stylish, and it pays homage to East London soul, combined with its high-spec gym, a games room, and even a prime and IMAX cinema. And you're effectively got a private members club in your own building. With prices starting from just over 400,000 and 2 beds offering such incredible value, Bow Green is easily the most exciting regeneration story in East London right now. Whether you're a professional looking for a home or an investor seeking a premium asset near the university, this is a must-see. If you like a private tour, get in touch today. I'm Magic, and I'll see you next time.